Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. DJI has just unveiled something that could completely redefine the drone industry in 2025, the much-anticipated DJI NEO 2. This isn't just another incremental update or a polished rehash of last year's design. With its sleek new body, intelligent AI-driven flight systems, and a professional-grade camera setup, the NEO 2 is being pitched as a true evolution in aerial technology. The question is, can it really deliver on the hype, or is it just another flashy gadget designed to make headlines? In today's deep dive, we're going to explore every aspect of the DJI NEO 2, its flight stability, range, camera performance, portability, AI intelligence, obstacle avoidance systems, and overall usability. We'll also cover its rumored price point, market positioning, and connectivity options, plus what it all means for photographers, filmmakers, hobbyists, and everyday flyers. By the end, you'll know whether this drone deserves a spot in your gear bag, or whether you should hold off for something else. So, hit that subscribe button, stick around, and let's break down whether the DJI NEO 2 is the future of drone innovation in 2025. Flight performance and range, setting new standards. One of the biggest strengths of DJI drones has always been their rock-solid flight performance, and the NEO 2 seems ready to raise the bar even higher. According to industry insiders, DJI has equipped the NEO 2 with a new propulsion system capable of reaching speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest drones in its size category, but speed is only part of the equation. The NEO 2 is also rumored to achieve a maximum flight time of around 40 minutes, a significant improvement over many current mid-tier drones. For aerial creators, that means more time in the air and fewer interruptions swapping batteries, perhaps even more impressive is the integration of OcuSync 4.0, DJI's latest transmission technology. Early reports suggest the NEO 2 could deliver a 15-kilometer range with ultra-low latency, allowing pilots to maintain precise control and stable, high-definition video feeds even across challenging environments. If this holds true, the NEO 2 could be the most reliable mid-range drone for professional use in 2025. Price and market positioning. A strategic sweet spot. Pricing is always a hot topic, especially when DJI drops a new drone. Analysts predict that the DJI NEO 2 will launch somewhere between $1,200 and $1,500, making it more expensive than the compact Mini 4 Pro but more affordable than DJI's flagship Mavic 3 series. This mid-tier positioning could make the NEO 2 one of DJI's most strategic releases yet. It offers premium features without the flagship-level price tag, appealing to both enthusiasts who want high-end performance and professionals who need a reliable workhorse without overspending. In other words, DJI might be targeting a wide audience: content creators, travel vloggers, real estate photographers, and even tech enthusiasts who want cutting-edge gear without dropping thousands of dollars. Compact and portable design, built for mobility. Portability has become a must-have in modern drones, and the NEO 2 seems to embrace this trend fully. Rumors suggest it will feature a foldable design, similar to DJI's Mavic series, making it compact enough to slip into a backpack while still being durable enough for outdoor adventures. Constructed from lightweight yet robust materials, the NEO 2 promises to strike a balance between toughness and convenience. For professionals constantly on the move, whether hiking into remote locations for breathtaking shots or filming cityscapes on the go, the NEO 2 could be the perfect travel companion. The portability doesn't compromise performance either. DJI seems determined to pack serious power into a small frame camera system. A cinematic powerhouse. At the heart of the DJI NEO 2 lies its rumored 1-inch CMOS sensor, capable of capturing 20-megapixel stills and recording 5.4K video at 60 frames per second. That's a massive leap for creators who want cinematic-grade video without lugging around larger drones. DJI is known for pushing the boundaries of imaging technology, and the NEO 2 is expected to deliver exceptional dynamic range, color accuracy, and low-light performance. For professional videographers, features like adjustable aperture control and support for 10-bit D-Log color profiles could make this drone an incredibly powerful creative tool. Whether you're capturing sunset landscapes, city skyline footage, or high-action sports sequences, the NEO 2's rumored camera system has the potential to deliver professional-quality results that rival larger, more expensive drones. Remote controller, seamless user experience. One of the most exciting rumors about the NEO 2 is its new remote controller design. Instead of relying on a smartphone for display, the updated controller is said to include a built-in touchscreen for a seamless and user-friendly flying experience. Not only does this reduce setup time, but it also ensures that your flight interface is optimized specifically for drone control. DJI may also include customizable buttons, improved ergonomics, and longer battery life to make flying easier and more comfortable during extended sessions. This could be a game changer for pilots who want simplicity without sacrificing advanced control. Obstacle avoidance and intelligent features. Safety and smart functionality are essential in modern drones, and the DJI NEO 2 looks to excel here. Rumors suggest it will feature omnidirectional obstacle sensors powered by AI-driven algorithms, giving it the ability to navigate complex environments with ease. In addition to safety, the NEO 2 is expected to push intelligent flight features to the next level. Possible inclusions are Active Track 5.0 for advanced subject tracking, Point of Interest 4.0 for automated cinematic circling. Master Shots mode, simplifying cinematic footage for beginners, enhanced return to home that dynamically recalculates safe paths in real time. These upgrades would make the NEO 2 appealing to both seasoned drone pilots and newcomers who want powerful results without needing professional flying skills. Connectivity and software integration. On the connectivity side, the DJI NEO 2 is rumored to include Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring faster data transfer, smoother connections, and better compatibility with accessories. It's also expected to work seamlessly with the DJI Fly app, offering integration with popular streaming platforms like YouTube and Facebook, allowing creators to broadcast high-resolution live video straight from the drone. Features like geofencing options, cloud-based firmware updates, and AI-enhanced flight logs may also be part of the package, making this drone smarter and more adaptable than ever before. Who is the DJI NEO 2 for? The NEO 2 seems designed to serve a wide audience. Let's break it down. For professionals, a powerful camera, advanced obstacle avoidance, and portability make it a great tool for filmmakers, real estate agents, and surveyors. For enthusiasts and hobbyists, a balance of affordability and pro features makes it a dream upgrade. For travelers and vloggers, compact design and long flight times make it ideal for capturing adventure footage on the go. For beginners, intelligent flight modes and enhanced safety make it approachable without overwhelming new users. Conclusion: while much of the DJI NEO 2 remains speculative until official confirmation, the rumored specs paint an incredibly exciting picture. With its advanced imaging system, strong flight performance, intelligent safety features, and strategic pricing, the NEO 2 could become one of DJI's most versatile and successful drones ever.